Hi there everyone, I was just going through some stuff. Well, I'm always collecting lots of stuff. But I got all this stuff, all old valve radio stuff. In amongst it, I just found this. And it looks like a homemade motor. So I thought it was good enough to do a little video of, because this is like pretty cool stuff. You don't see people making their own motors like this anymore. It just looks cool. We're going to see if it goes. So we've got two coils here. And they go down to here. Where's the brushes? See, that should go in there. It's a bit squeaky. Got some power terminals here. We'll throw a multimeter on and see if we've got any connectivity through these coils in case they've broken. So we'll go down to 200 ohms. Now they're very tarnished, these things, so I'm going to have to scratch in. Oh, look at that. There. Little moment of continuity. Bam. So that side's good. Let's try this side. Okay. So, oh, that side's beautiful, no problem at all. Alright. Let's power this bad boy. Battery. Now I've only got one alligator clip, so I'm going to do a bit of MacGyvering with this old fork. Whoa! Oh, I saw something then. Oh, look at that! Come on. You love now. Oh! Whoa! Check that out. Isn't that cool? I don't know how old this is, but and homemade. You can see all the solder joints. I'm not sure how they made that bit. It might be just, I'm not sure, but just needs a little help going, I think. All right. Wow. It's a bit off center. That's pretty cool. Interested though, how see how much current it's pulling. God, this is going to test me. Oh no, it's not. Move that up there so you can see it a bit better, but that's pulling a lazy 7 amps. 7 amps, that's pretty crazy. Pretty inefficient. I wonder how oh, it's pretty easy to stop. Oh, helps it balance. Got a sweet spot there, definitely, but you can see just turning it, it's not straight, so it does bounce around a bit, and eventually these are clipping. That's when it gets the RPM. Oh, bit tad hot. When it gets the RPMs up, it's hitting. but still very cool. Makes you want to try and make your own, kind of, doesn't it? I mean, it's pretty simple. I can't believe it pulls 7 out. That's a fair bit. Look at these old coils. They're covered in dust. Insulator. That's too cool. Yeah. Tell you what, she warmed up a bit. That's where all the power's going, I reckon. This inefficient scratching, but oh, it only got better. Let's shine that up a bit. Anyway, excellent. Here's another little tidbit I found. Look at that. Plugs in. Little box, alarm set, alarm active. There's no wires coming out of it. There's 2 LEDs. You can see in there there's a diode, a resistor, and a capacitor, and a little transformer. So it would appear that all this does is like those LEDs. Let's plug it in and see what happens. Ta-da! Amaze balls, right? It just flashes 2 LEDs. And they're flashing LEDs too. There's nothing in there to make them flash that's built into the LED. That's a reasonable amount of effort, but I guess it's using those old things, those gun things that you stamp out these on. So what? Early 90s, 80s, and back then, yeah, I can see it fool somebody. I wonder how much power that uses. I'd like to find out later. Good times. Anyway, on to the next thing. Here's another weird one. A Siemens Erlang. It's got a counter on it. 10,000, thousandths, hundreds, tens, ones, and 1/10. It says measure range 5 to 100 Erlang. Oh, I'm not sure what maybe it's German or something. Measuring range 2, 25 to 500 Erlang. Measuring range 3, 0 to 20 Erlang. And each one has underneath a different scaling factor. Scaling factor times 0.2, 0.02 Erl / a pulse. Yeah, it looks like it's got 2 little LDRs here, light detecting resistors. Maybe there's something. No, that's what they look like. It kind of looks like a energy meter. It has a plug, an old plug, damaged plug, dangerous plug, going into it. Plug it in carefully and see what happens. There's two wires coming out down here, so we'll just be careful of those. I'll plug it in. It is plugged in, and I heard a relay click. It's not counting anything. There's no surprise there. It probably needs something coming out. Let's put the multimeter on these outputs and just see what's going on. Yeah, it's outputting 240. Pretty dangerous. Just don't touch that. So imagine if we plugged something 240 into there, we'd actually get the counter counting over. I'm just going to unplug it. Ooh, you might have heard that relay click again. I've unscrewed these 3 already, so ready to do this. So let's have a look underneath. There's a credit union office or withdrawals by mail, Hobart. Withdrawal book. Nothing in there. I don't know what that's there for. Secret stash. There's a relay. Transformer. Oop. Doof. Got 3 fuses down the side. Did I show you? Oh wow, it's got mercury. It's got a mercury switch in it. Huh. Anyway, see the 3 fuses there. Relay. Bit of proto board. It's got a little chip. 741CN or 8037LM. Trimmer. Check out this mercury, so I don't know if I can get it. Huh, see that mercury switch? Maybe it has to be up. Oh. It actually, I can't show on this angle, but it actually, if you tip all the mercury over to one side, it actually moves it a little bit back and forth. Huh. That's, I don't know what I don't know how that works. That's a funky thing. Maybe that goes back and forth and that's how it meters. Oh, wow, yeah. When I move that by hand, it actually moves the cogs underneath. Oops. Oops. It's locked in place now. Oh, there it goes. It released. Huh. Let's plug it in again. Keeping well away from it. You shouldn't open anything 240 like this, really. But I only live once. YOLO! Oh, you saw the relay go. Oh, that was me. So the relay comes on, and then it just waits. Unplugged again. Let's try upright. Oop. Mercury's at the bottom now. I'm not sure why it would have to be upright though. I don't think it's related. There it goes, relay on. Nothing really happening. Huh. Well, that'd be something maybe to play with later, just to unplug again. To put something in the bottom there and just see if that ticks over. It'd be cool. Yeah, I could run my own power meter on the shed. It's got lots of other terminals here too. You can see that they output. They've got wires going to them, and they output. Oh, it's stuff written in there. Hang on. We've got AC in. Okay, get back a bit. It says AC in, AC out, breaker, battery. Odd. Might have to do some Googling unless anyone out there knows what it is. Erlang. Siemens. Erlang. Alright.